Welcome teachers to the dpsgandhidham.in portal. Today we'll see how to enter marks for the students examination. So after I sign in to the dpsgandhidham.in portal, I'll find examination section appearing on the left side of the screen. On the examination section, we need to go to the exam group, and in the exam group I need to select the class which I am assigned to. Remember that you cannot enter marks for other classes which you are not assigned to and to other subjects which you are not assigned to. For example, I have selected standard 7 and clicked on examination mark. From here I need to select on the examination marks, this button. I'll show again this examination marks button. As soon as you click on this examination mark button, you need to find your own subject, not the other subject. For example, I am computer science teacher, so I can enter marks for only computer science students. Now from here, you need to select which section you want to enter the marks. Now remember that this class should be matching with the exam group list. As I have selected class 7th from the exam group list, I have to select class 7th also here. And I'll select the desired section for which I am going to add the marks. Here you can add the marks accordingly. For example, like this, and you can also mark a student absent, and you can keep a note here if you want to. Now the notes part is absolutely optional, and after you click on the save option, after you do all the entering marks, you need to click on the save option. Do not forget to click the save option. Now, so that's all for today. So I'll go through this again. Exam group, the class from the exam group list, for example class 7th, add exam, the name, exam marks, for example MCQ, computer science, the subject I am assigned to, and the same class. If I try selecting here 8th, Newton, the student list won't be appearing. Why? Because I have selected class 7th from the exam group list. So this is how we need to enter marks for our examination. After you finish all your work, you can log out of the portal. So have a great day. Bye bye.